Okay, yesterday I went out, I did that opener for $1,595 and I did that spring change for $789. Took me about an hour and a half to 2 hours maximum. This is the reality of that. Look at that. For an hour and a half's work. Keep looking. $2,385, whatever it came to. If you go to work all day for a company, this is what you're gonna make. That's before taxes. Here, look at it, you get non-stop hundreds. You go waste a bunch of money every day and have a good time. But until you learn the garage door business, you can only dream about this. It's a great business to be in. I'm going on another one right now where I'm just gonna help a guy frame up 2 doors. Clear on that is probably gonna be about $7,000-8,000. So every day you can go out and make this. The longer you guys wait, the longer you'll be without money. 10-4. Where's the other 20? Over here? Okay, let me get this in and then I'll say that. Okay, so what we got here is 2 guys dragging a third. We got this here. Okay, before when I was a young, hungry lion, this door would be up right now. Okay, so if you look here, show the door. The door is stacked. We had to put a filler in here, right in here, because this door is 2 inches over on each side, over the actual house. So instead, we wouldn't have been able to mount our track with enough room in between the track and the door by leaving this here. So we added a 2x4 in the middle, which worked out great, man. It was killer, man. That thing worked out killer. And then now we're just stacking the door up, and we're gonna get it done. Okay?
Keep going towards you.
Oh, you took my light ladder. You left me with the heavy ladder. Huh?
It goes.
Now that's a door. Yep. Okay, see this angle iron here? We're obviously not going to change all this. So we're going to just connect to it. It's only 5 inches we need on each one. We're just going to bolt to that one that's already there. Here they are, 5 inches each. Cut them. I'm getting them ready to go. Nothing you guys can do about it. I'm ready. It's over there. It's over that way. Back of the track is over there. Look, when you do this, you can put a bolt through the other one. Look.
That's what they did. They cross patterned it.
They cross. You leave it right there. Put one in there. You're gonna have a lot of those. Get the first lag and I can let go.
Is that good?
You're gonna tighten the 9/16 right here. Oh, here we go. Put the bearing on first. Okay. Hard working spring here. Showing you that you put it all together and it works every time. Push the bearing into the spring. See, like right there? It goes in the spring. You get these bolts right here. Then you want to look here because you're going to put 7.5 turns. You want to try to end this being in the front. Instead of being over here, it'll end up down below. So you go here. Yeah. Then you want this. And you bring that up there like that. Okay. Now you're talking. Okay, now. Oh.
That's good stuff.
Through this hole here, you're going to have to nail it. Get another one? Let me put one more right here.
Okay, that's incredible.
When's Father's Day? Sunday? When they opened it would bend the bar and the lock wouldn't work anymore. Here's your socket, Brad. Oh, I keep thinking it's magnetic. No wonder. I thought I had the magnetic bit on here and I'm letting go. And now you got 2 of them.
Thank you.
You good there? Okay, so.
San Jose.
Yeah.
You know, you still got it right down there now. That's cool. See that? If it's organized, it's civilized.
Yeah.
I don't know. I see it on Facebook. Yeah, they do so much around here.
Anything happen?
Thank you.
guys need anything, you give me a call, just come take care of it.
We just finished that. I think he got like 6,400 or something for the job.
Is that what he said?
Yeah. I think the doors are under 1,500 bucks. So he made over 5,000 to do that job. He just basically changed out the doors, no openers. Now it's time to go get a nice bubbly drink with ice in it. It's only 77 degrees and it feels like it's like 90.
You want an extra large? No, small. On the bottom. And they got Chick-fil-A.
Same thing?
Yeah.
You want a large? So any of you guys thinking about getting in the garage door business, I got 45 years experience and I used to hang a lot of doors and I've seen every situation. I can tell you how to do everything. So if you call me, I'll tell you the best way to approach it if you're ever stuck. So anyway, give us a call. Talk at you. Click below to watch a free lesson and don't forget to like and subscribe.